Okay guys, quick 30-second tutorial on how to bump up your contrast in Photoshop. This is a specifically useful technique for sketching, especially if you don't have a scanner that allows you to bump up the contrast. And if you have a light hand while you're sketching, sometimes you just don't get the contrast that you need. And a lot of times when you go to submit it, it's really difficult to see. So I want to show you, okay, I'm in Photoshop right now, and across the very top of the window in Photoshop, you have it says window. I want you to click on that window and find where it says the word adjustments. And this is because we're going to create an adjustments layer. I want to do something here first. So this is our layer with the sketch on it, and this is a background layer. So we're on the layer with the sketch on it. And then at that point, if you go to that, find that window adjustments. Okay, that adjustments window will pop up. It's right here. And then conversely, you can also do this. Come down here where that half circle is. It's the fourth icon over from the left, right there. Kind of looks like yin yang. You click that, and we're going to create what is called a levels adjustment layer. It's right there, levels, okay? And what we're going to do is this indicates where the dark is, the dark areas, and all this stuff here is light. So what we want to do is we want to bring more pixels towards the dark area of this histogram. And we're going to do so simply by taking that mid-range slider right there. You can do it with the left slider. It'll increase the contrast, or you can do it with the mid-range slider. I usually start with the mid-range. Watch the image. Okay, so we're going to, you don't want to go too far because then you're going to affect the way the paper looks. So you just want to kind of, and then there's the mid-range. So then I'm just going to go over here. I'm going to go to that dark slider, and I'm just going to bump that up a little bit. Watch the paper. You don't want this to turn into something that looks digital, but you definitely want it to be visible, okay? And then you would just save that out, and that's it. You could flatten it. I typically don't recommend, if you're going to flatten anything in Photoshop, save a copy of it. But if you just want to compile this within a multi-page PDF, just come down here and say flatten image. And that all comes down to that one image that you can place in a multi-page PDF and then export for presentation. Okay? Hope that helps, guys. Let me know if anybody has any questions. Good job. Thanks.